Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Stay with us. Deep olive green color, deep olive green color, scarlet color, scarlet color, yellow color, yellow color. The next one is pale pink color, pale pink color, cream color, cream color, warm gray color, warm gray color, coral red color, coral red color, lavender color, lavender color, baby blue color, baby blue color, vivid green color, vivid green color, raw silk color, raw silk color. Kids, the next one is pale blue light color. Stay with us. Scarlet color, alphabet of A. The next one is B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E. E for elephant. The next one is F. F. F for fish, F for fan. G. The next one is H. H for hand. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, the next one is J. Lavender color. Exactly, lavender color. J for joker. K. K. The next one is L. L for lemon. M. N. The next one is O. P. P. Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. Deep olive green color. R for rose, R for rice. Kids, the next one is S. S for snake. T for teacher. U. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Cream color. Cream color. 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. The next one is 3. Kids, stay with us. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. 7. The next one is 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. The last one is 10. T-E-N 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.